Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Monday, February 12th. Now it's 9:08. I intend to get this one done much earlier, like before the future markets open, but I have some other obligations, so a little bit late today. Let's get into it. So today is kind of like a play out. Uh, First, play out a scenario is really kind of continue the run to pretty much get to 5,050, and that's a really amazing run, and uh, it actually run pretty strong. It's just that when it get to like after 1 o'clock, there's a big flush coming down and making the new low and kind of penetrating this level like a 5,020, which is I share yesterday. That's one other important level, and it finally closed at like 5,021 and 84. So in a way, it kind of closed in the middle of this after 2:30, and so apparently it's kind of setting up for making a choice tomorrow. So where is it going to go? Overnight, and I won't be surprised that it's going to most likely going to fluctuate between 5,015 and 5,030, and kind of likelihood it may be probably may challenging 5,030 when it get to the time around 8:30, and unless somebody knows something really bad going to happen, then I believe it's going to probably around this 5,030 level, and after the release, probably there may be a huge move after the release. It could be at 5,005 or 5,015. So we'll see how that's going to play out tomorrow. And I figure if say the market going to go above 5,030, then essentially chose to go up to 5,050. And if say it open around this area 5,050 and it's able to stay above 5,050, it could easily go to 5,075, 5,080. Yeah, it could be going pretty fast, kind of going up. And on the downside, it could be kind of the CPI release, the market may drop down to 5,005, and but I think that it probably a little bit difficult down here, and uh, since 5,000 should be a psychologically it's a very important level. Um, I guess it would not be a surprise that you have to retest that and also taking this opportunity to retest this level. And with that said, if it go below 5,000 level, and especially I would say just a 5,000 level, and pretty much the market could go down to like a 4,980. So that's right above this very important level, 49.75. I guess that also makes sense. Just market kind of want to uh, test the bottom and see and make sure it has a solid footing uh, before making another leg up. So those are two scenarios that I see. Tomorrow, because it's a CPI and it should be high volatility, 8:30, that's the first one, and then after the open. Um, so we'll see how that's going to play out. Um, but I figure that uh, it may go to 5,075, 5,080, or it may slam down to 49.80, 49.75 ish. So it will be interesting to see how that's going to play out tomorrow. So these are the corresponding level. So corresponding level is like yeah, apparently the overnight market kickoff and it looks somewhat kind of bearish. So it's already below 5,034 level, which is corresponding to this is 5,015 level. And it seems like it's kind of having some difficulty moving up from here. On the other hand, it did not kind of go much further down from here and almost kind of like a holding stage. So um, usually once it kind of crosses this kind of level, it's just kind of going down pretty fast. Um, so with that said, yeah, it could overnight it could easily kind of come down to 5,024, which is corresponding to 5,005 level, and I feel like that's probably makes sense. It's a way to test the bottom and make sure it's a solid here, and it could bounce. And if we bounce back, it could be yeah, likely it would be around 5,044 or 5,049 level from the bottom here, and may come all the way up back up here. And yeah, that's about like a 20-30 points move, which is at 5,049, that would be 5,030 level. So and then at 8:30 there may be after the CPI release, it may check all the way up to 5,070 here. Maybe not that crazy, but we never know. And then if it's opening around here, which is corresponding to 5,050 level, then it could likely go to like a 5,099 and 41. So when looking at the number, this is seems like a mechanic, and it makes sense. And then like a 5,099, and corresponding the SPX level is a 5,080. And then on the downside here, this would be like a 4,049.99 level, which is 5,000 level on the future side. And then on the SPX corresponding level is a 4,980. So all those are pretty interesting number. So we should see where it's going to uh, open, and then where it's going to close tomorrow. And so here is the yeah. So those are the kind of basic kind of those kind of a level that I would kind of pretty important. So which it could be like looking at the SPX is 5050. Definitely is very important. And then 5005 or say 5000 level here. This area is very important. And then it could go back down to 4980, and this is another important level. And going up here is a 5080 level. So it should be a big day tomorrow. Look forward to it. And let's switch over to the calendar. So in terms of calendar, so tomorrow, apparently the big thing is about the 8:30, the CPI. And then at 8:45, also read the book. And then that's about it. And then will be like at 4:30, that's cruise stock change. Yeah, so it seems like once the market open, when the market open, it seems like no economic data going to be released during the market hours. So if it that could run crazy tomorrow because as we all know that nothing here for market to be concerned about. So it may just go directional after the market open. But we never know, and just keep that in mind. And market could do whatever they wanted to do. For example, like today, like a heel and big flush down, and with such a strong move, who can think of it could kind of come back down that much and close at heel? So, but this, like as I asked her yesterday, so before the big like a CPI release, where is it going to close? And here it goes. It kind of position around like a 5,000. It's close at 5,021, and which is near that 5,025 level. So that's all I have to share with everyone. Good luck. Um, Good luck to all of you. May the energy be with you. Thank you.